Hello guys, this side Gurpreet Singh from Mechanical Engineering Department of GIMS Engineering Management Technical Campus, affiliated to GGSIP University. So in today's lecture, we will be discussing about the next topic of manufacturing process and basically the types of welding process, the major classification of welding process known as electrical resistance welding or resistance welding. Let us start that what we are going to discuss in this topic. What is electrical resistance welding? We will be discussing about that, about the procedures. They are further classified into many categories like butt, spot, seam, projection and percussion welding. We will give a brief idea along with the diagram. Then you will get a complete idea about the resistance welding. So guys, what is resistance welding? First of all, how resistance occur? We can go for resistance spot, we can go for resistance butt welding. In which metallic plates are held between two electrodes of copper or another, in which concentrate welding current metal to interface over a spot and apply the pressure to complete the weld. In this welding, accurate control and timing of electrical current and pressure are essential, as the metal parts to be joined are heated by virtue of their resistance by the flow of electric current, and pressure is applied at a certain point of the 2 points of metal to be joined. It is obtained by the flow of current by the application of mechanical pressure on the metal parts towards each other. As is clearly shown in the diagram, the two arms, one is movable, another is fixed, are connected to a transformer from where current is supplied. An electrode is connected to the arms, and these electrode with the help of a current and a pressure joins the two workpiece along the spot, or it can be along the whole seam joint. So what is the procedure? Basically, two copper electrodes are used in the resistance welding for passing high current and applying suitable pressure at the joints of the metal parts to be joined. Since the electric resistance is highest at the contact of metal, so maximum heat is generated at that contact interface, and metals are welded at the interface with the help of heat and applied pressure. So the part or the job is first of all cleaned and electrode tip is clean. Pressing of metal sheet is done between the electrodes. Flow of current at low voltage through metal pieces by means of transformer is done. So in this, current is in the order of 3000 to 10,000 amperes. Temperature ranges between 815 degrees to 930 degrees Celsius. If we talk about the nugget, that is weld nugget, is generally 6 to 10 mm in diameter. There it has advantages like high speed of welding, less skilled worker is required, no edge preparation, and resistance. There is only one and basic limitation, that electrical resistance welding can only be used for the metals which are good conductor of electricity. So it is classified into many categories, several processes like butt welding, spot welding, seam welding, projection, and at last percussion welding. Resistance butt welding. Let us start with this as shown in the diagram. A flexible lid is used, welding transformer is used to supply the current. Force system is implemented on one is plate is fixed, another is movable plate. So we apply a force by the movable plate system. So it is used to join the metal pieces from end to end, as it is a butt welding. In butt welding process, edges are brought together in light contact. A high voltage start a flashing action between the two surfaces, and as the parts heats up slowly and the forging temperature is reached, the upsetting action forces out of the impurities caused by flashing, and the forged out metal is called flash, which is removed from the after the application is done. It is extensively used in automobile constructions like bodies, axles, etc. End-to-end joints like rods, bars, tubes, etc. Clamps that are made up of copper alloy. Parent metal is used as an electrode. Step-down transformer is required to provide high electrical current for heating. And if we talk, as we have discussed about the application, ferrous and non-ferrous rods. Next comes the spot welding. Resistance spot welding. In spot welding, pieces are assembled, again they are assembled between two electrodes in which current is turned on. The pieces are heated at the areas of contact to a welding temperature and with the aid of mechanical pressures. The electrodes are forced against each other to be welded. Applications, again it is used to join overlapping strip, sheet or plates at small areas, like as it can be all types of sheet metal structure where mechanical strength is required. Diagram completely shows about a resistance spot welding in which current and pressure are essential. In this welding, accurate control and timing is required for getting a high surface finish metal. The weld nugget is generally of 6 to 10 mm in diameter and temperature ranges from 800 to 950 degrees Celsius. To make leak-proof joints, tanks, boilers, we can use seam welding. A coolant is applied to conserve the electrode and cool the work rapidly, and also to enhance the speed of the operation. As the pressure is applied, the drive is started and welding current is switched on. The overlapping surface of the metal are forced together as fast as they are heated. Next comes the seam welding. Resistance seam welding, as clearly shown, The red color or the maroon orange color lines is a proper seam is formed along the surface. In seam welding is similar to spot welding except that the continuous circular rotating electrodes are used in place of tip electrodes. The weld produced is continuous airtight seam. So it can also be defined as continuous series of spot weld. It is a modified form of spot welding in which spot welding is done at many projecting points. The welding current is passed through the projection which are softened to provide weld joints under the pressure applied from the plate electrodes. Application extensively used in automobile industries. Closer welds can be obtained. Thicker slots can be conveniently welded. In welding of metals other than copper and copper alloys, it can be used to produce pressure tight weld joint. This seam welding is recommended like in gasoline tanks, oil drums, transfer tank, etc. etc. It has certain disadvantages also, like work surface should be clean to produce a defect free welding, cannot be applied to sharp corners. Weld should proceed along a straight line, otherwise the joint can get leaked. There should be no obstruction in the path of electrode. Next comes the projection welding. The diagrams clearly represent we are projecting at different points. It is the developed form of spot welding in which the different spots are produced at which welding takes place at previously located, providing projections at desired locations on the surface of one of the workpiece. Electrodes instead having a tip as in spot welding are flat and relatively larger in surface area. The success of projection welding depends on surface preparation and workpiece to be welded. If we talk about its applications, in automobile industries it can be used in light steel frames, whereas small fasteners that can be welded to a large components. Next come the disadvantages. It is economical only when the production rates and volumes are large. All projection must be of same height to produce a good weld. Metals which are not strong enough to carry support projections and withstand electrode force are not welded satisfactorily. This is all about projection welding. Next comes the percussion welding. In the process of intense and highly concentrated heat is obtained by an electric arc produced by rapid discharge of stored electrostatic energy. So this operation is performed with one part held stationary holder while the another one is clamp mounted on a slide which is back up against pressure from a heavy spring. In this welding operation, movable clamp is released rapidly, carrying the part forward. When the two parts are approximately 1.5 mm apart, a sudden discharge of electrical energy is released, causing intense causing an intense arc between the two surfaces. To complete it takes for completion of that this welding, it takes about 0.1 second. If we talk about its application, it is used for welding satellite tips to the tools. It can be used for joining similar and dissimilar metals. Let us show you the diagram of percussion welding. There is no flash. Advantages: very quick process, heat treated and cold work melted. Cold work metal can be welded through annealing. Disadvantages, if we talk about, process is limited to welding of butt joint only. Accurate holding fixtures and sensitive timing devices are required in this percussion welding. This is the major drawback of this percussion welding. So guys, this is all about the types of resistance welding which are explained very well. Hope you have gone through a slide properly. If you still have any confusion, I will request you to go through this slide 2 or 3 times, then it will be more effective for you to go through this process. Thank you so much, and in next lecture, next slide, we will discussing about more and more about types of welding. So thank you so much.